Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BNGO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a good, solid day. Yeah, it was disappointing because the price started off on the day making a nice move right there and then totally rolled back over, but then had a nice recovery. But within the context of all this has created a very nice pattern here, and one of my favorite patterns and a great pattern out there. And that, let me just get drawn up here. So the key dynamic of that pattern right there at 575, that being the problem point, and this makes perfect sense. I mean, this was a former area of support, and then as basic technical analysis states, when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and wouldn't you know it, right there acted as resistance. So 575 makes perfect sense why that's an area of resistance. However, even though the price has been struggling at that area, you can see very clearly that there is this nice uptrending trend line here. So actually, let me change this to green to represent more of a bullish attribute here. And this is what would be known as an ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because a bullish pattern is formed does not mean that for sure guaranteed the thing's going to break out and behave bullishly. My point here is it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought for people to be bullish headed into Friday. Again, doesn't mean the price is going to explode upwards, but by no means is that some sort of random thought to be saying, wait, why would you be bullish? It makes perfect sense given the pattern that's formed. So keep an eye on that dynamic. And then, of course, you're going to want to continue to watch that trend line right there, because if the price does not hold above there, then that would imply that the pattern's no longer valid. But as long as the price does stay above that green line, the ascending triangle pattern still fully in play. So let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.